So what exactly is Tube Takeoff 2.0 all about? Can this really help you make passive income online, or should you use something else entirely? Hey, it's Arie here. In this video, I'm going to be giving you my full in-depth review for the Tube Takeoff 2.0 program. I'm going to be going over exactly what it's all about. And if you decide to pick up the program through my link down below, I'm going to be giving you some amazing bonuses that will help you get results much faster. It will make things a lot easier for you. So what exactly is this Tube Takeoff program all about? Let's not waste any more time and dive right in. So Tube Takeoff 2.0, simply put, is a 4-week training program that shows you how to build, grow, and monetize a profitable YouTube channel, and how to make passive income with YouTube, right? So this training program in particular is created by this guy right here, Andy FL. And if you've been online for any amount of time, if you've been trying to make money online, or if you've been trying to grow a YouTube channel, and if you've been trying to do any of that stuff for any amount of time, you might have seen some of this guy's videos before. So this is the YouTube channel right here, and he's actually known to be one of the top coaches when it comes to building a YouTube channel and making passive income with that, right? So he's currently at about almost 200,000 subscribers right here, and this is his program that he's put together that shows you step by step how to build a YouTube channel, how to make passive income with it, right? So before I actually get into all the details of this program, before I go over exactly what you get inside this program, I want to first and foremost go over some of the results that I've gotten with this training personally, because look, at the end of the day, the most important thing with any training program whatsoever is results, right? Can I get results with this exact program right here? Can you get results with the strategy that is, of course, taught inside of here? And that's exactly what I want to address right now in this video, right? So this is my YouTube channel right here that I've been building for the past year. So I started this around summer of 2019, actually, like around June or July was when I started this channel. And since then, I've been making videos very consistently, right? As you can see right here, there's tons of videos that I made within the past year. I've been making videos at least three days out of the week, sometimes 5. At one point, I did like daily videos for like 100 days straight, and that was just insane in and of itself. But for the first like 6 to 7 months of making videos, I had a very hard time getting that initial traction going, right? I was making all these videos, although I was, getting used to, making videos and getting, good on camera. I had a very hard time, getting the view count, right? I wasn't getting the views, wasn't really getting the subscribers that I was really looking for, and I wasn't really making any money from my channel, right? So that was something that I had a very hard time with in the very beginning, but it wasn't until kind of around April of May of this past year was when my channel began to start, growing a lot faster, right? So if we go over to my Social Blade right here, my channel on Social Blade, this kind of shows kind of the stats for the past year, right? So as you can see, from July of 2019 all the way up until like, April, it was very steady, right? It was kind of, growing very slowly, slowly but surely, not that much. But then around May, I went from getting 2,000 views per month all the way up to 6,000 views per month. And then shortly after that, I went from getting like 6,000 to 8,000, then like 15,000 views per month. And yeah, so this is within, in terms of view count. Now, in terms of subscriber count, I went from getting like, maybe like 50 subscribers if I was lucky in a single month, all the way up until like, 200 subscribers a month, 300, then like 400, almost 500 right there. And since then, it's been growing a lot faster. Every single month, right? So this is just in terms of like, view count, sub count, but what about the money, right? Are you making money with this exact channel? And the answer to that is yes, right? So just recently, I got approved for the Google AdSense program. I got this letter in the mail from Google AdSense basically saying, hey, you've been approved for our program and you can start making money from Google AdSense, right? So I was very excited to, of course, get this letter. But in terms of the AdSense money, I've been making a pretty good amount on the side right here. So if we go to revenue, within the past 28 days, I made over 300 bucks with Google AdSense right here, right? Now, keep in mind, this isn't like, full-time income by any means, right? But this is something that definitely helps, a lot in the long term, right? So look, if you can make an extra 300 bucks every single month completely passively, would that make a difference in your life? I know for a lot of people, the answer to that would be yes, right? So that's definitely a great starting point in terms of that right there. But this isn't my only, stream of income when it comes to, my YouTube channel, right? So I also do something known as affiliate marketing. And one program that I promoted in particular is called the 4%. And with this income stream right here, I was able to cross my very first $1,000 in affiliate commissions with this exact income stream. Now, there's other things I promote as well, one of which is a program called Invincible Marketer. And with this one, I'm getting pretty consistent sales as well, right? So I got a $24.50 commission right here. I got another one that same day. And then within that same hour as well, I got another one that was $224, as you can see right here. And in total with this program, I also made a little over $1,000 with this income stream as well. And this is really just to show exactly what is possible, right? So I'm not showing this to, brag or anything along those lines. I really want to impress upon you what is possible when you, of course, take action on the information, right? So look, at the end of the day, when it comes to getting results, if you want to, of course, get the results, you have to, of course, take action, right? You could enroll in the best training in the world, but if you don't actually take action, then you're never going to get those long-term results. That's just kind of something I want to put out there, right? But, there's tons of other members inside of here as well that are making results. Hossam is getting great results with this channel. Paulus is getting sales as well. Delaney Ruth hit 20,000 subscribers within the start of this year. And as you can see, there are tons of other members that have given, testimonials and have gotten great results as well, right? So I want, of course, with all this being out of the way, I want to, of course, get into exactly what the program is all about. So what exactly are you getting with Tube Takeoff 2.0? What makes this different from all the other YouTube programs out there? And most importantly, why should you decide to enroll in this training yourself, right? So Tube Takeoff 2.0, like I mentioned, this shows you how to make passive income with YouTube, how to make, how to properly grow your YouTube channel. And, the problem that I had with a lot of other YouTube programs myself, and if you've ever, tried growing your YouTube channel, if you are trying to grow your YouTube channel right now, if you've ever taken any advice from any YouTube experts whatsoever, or even if you've bought into any YouTube course at all, you might be able to relate to this actually. The problem that I've seen with a lot of other YouTube programs out there is that most of them, they teach this, the very basic thing. It's like, make videos consistently, target long tail keywords, and if you do that long enough, eventually your channel will grow. You'll get lots of, traction. You'll get lots of views, and that's kind of, what a lot of them teach, right? So they teach this method where it's like, okay, you need to target long tail keywords, do keyword research, and while that makes sense in hindsight, to target long tail keywords because basically what you're doing is you're targeting keywords that have less competition, and that means that, you aren't competing with all these big, creators, right? So it makes sense, when you look at it that way, but the problem with that strategy is that you end up making videos that don't really have much search volume, and therefore, when you are completely brand new and you're making these videos, it's very difficult to really get that traction coming in, right? So, in my case, when I was using this strategy, as you can see right here with a lot of these early videos, I wasn't really getting much traction, right? So a lot of these early videos I did, they still barely have any views whatsoever. Most of them don't even have even 50 views, which is very bad for videos that are like almost a year old now. And yeah, that's kind of the issue that I had with that strategy myself. And if you've ever tried, growing a YouTube channel before, you might have run into this issue yourself. But that's where Tube Takeoff actually comes into play. And the whole purpose of this is a new strategy that you're going to learn that's going to help you grow your YouTube channel a lot faster, right? So if you want to grow your YouTube channel fast, if you want to make passive income a lot faster with your channel, this training is definitely one that you, of course, want to, look into. And I want to go over exactly what you're going to get into this program right here, right? So week number 0 with this program, he goes over, the intro, kind of explains what it's all about, the essential tools that you need, and that's pretty much what that goes over there. And once it gets into the training with week number 1, this goes over how to find your perfect niche, pretty much in other words, what to make videos on, what, you might consider making your channel around. That's exactly what this goes over there, how to find your perfect niche. Another big part of the Tube Takeoff program is it focuses very much on affiliate marketing, right? So although Google AdSense is great, you can make some money with Google AdSense. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't want to fully rely on something like this because it can tend to fluctuate quite often. And for that reason, you want to do something like affiliate marketing where you have something to sell, right? Or some sort of product, whether it's your own course, or in my case, what I like doing is affiliate marketing, right? This is where you find other people's products, you promote them on your channel. Whenever someone buys, you then get paid a commission. And that, that's what I've been doing right here, right? So one program that I promoted is the 4%. Another one that I showed is Invincible Marketer, and there's a few other ones that I'm currently looking into as well. So that's what this module right here goes over, how to find great affiliate offers that you can promote on your channel, depending on the niche that you're in. And then the next step here is how to find your next 30 video ideas, right? So the whole purpose of this section right here is not just to give you, okay, find, 30 random topics, to make videos on. And if you do that, then your channel will grow because the thing that you have to remember is that YouTube is a search engine, right? So, some video ideas that you do or some video topics will have, will get you more views than others. And you want to kind of, see exactly what will ideally get you the best results, right? So you don't want to make videos on anything and everything, because if you do that, you might not get as much traction kind of like what I showed earlier, right? So you might end up making a bunch of videos and they might not get you that much views, right? So what you want to do here is you want to find videos that will ideally get you views, and that's exactly what that goes over there, right? He also goes into keyword research as well a little bit, but although that isn't really the main strategy, he goes over in terms of, when you might consider using that strategy and when it might be best to do that. But that's pretty much what week number 1 goes over, right? So it's finding video ideas, determining what to make videos on, and then in week number 1.5 he goes over how to properly optimize your channel, and the whole purpose of this is to get your channel to look nice, right? So when you are growing your channel and you have people visiting your channel, ideally it's important to have a very nice looking channel, right? By that I mean a nice channel name, profile picture, nice cover art. And the reason why you want to have this is because if your channel does not look welcoming, if it looks very depressing, if it's very dark and ugly and that type of stuff, people are not going to want to watch your videos, right? So he goes over exactly how to, get a, nice channel name, how to create a banner, how to create a logo. Teaches you a few other things in here as well, but the whole purpose of this section is to get your channel to look nice. And week number 2, this is where it gets into the actual content creation thing here, and there's a lot of stuff that you'll learn inside of this section right here, right? So one of the biggest takeaways that I actually had from going through this training myself and going through this specific section of the course is YouTube cares about 2 things in particular, right? It's click-through rate and watch time. If you can increase these 2 metrics, in other words, the percentage of people who click on your videos when they see them, and the amount of time that people actually stay in your videos, YouTube is going to promote your videos a lot more, right? So if we go over to my YouTube channel right here and we go over to the engagement section, this will kind of show the average view duration that I'm getting for my videos right now. What you want to do is you want to increase this number as much as possible. You want to make it to where people, when they click on your video, they're staying as long as possible. And if you could really increase this, YouTube is going to promote your videos a lot more, right? Same with click-through rate. If people who, when they see your thumbnail, the bigger percentage of them that click on your thumbnail, ideally the better, right? So that's exactly what week number 2 essentially goes over, is how to make videos, how to, of course, increase the quality of them to get people to want to watch all the way through, how to, script your videos. He goes over the perfect video script, the 10-minute video, how to make nice looking videos in 10 minutes. And there's a lot of things in here that that you'll definitely learn by going through this, like how to increase watch time with simple 5-minute video editing, how to, where to find content for list and compilation channels, why you should never buy comments, likes, or views. This is something that I'm super against. There was one other YouTube course that I bought like a while ago, and the guy who made the course basically suggested at one point, oh, you can go to the site, you could buy some views and stuff like that. And I was like, yeah, no, I'm not doing that, right? So you want to avoid doing that at all costs because it will definitely sabotage your channel for the long term. And he also goes over how to rank number 1 in YouTube step by step, which is, of course, definitely something worth learning there. So that is pretty much what week number 2 is all about. Now, week number 3 goes over how to monetize your channel and make money. So, of course, one method I showed is Google AdSense. Another is with affiliate marketing, and he goes over how to get monetized with YouTube with 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. So this is a very unique strategy that not a lot of people are talking about, and by using this, it's going to allow you to grow your sub count a lot faster. And the reason why you want to do this is because when you reach 1,000 subscribers in 4,000 hours of watch time, you will then get approved for the Google AdSense program, and then you can start making money with ads on your videos, as I have gotten right here, right? So that's exactly what that section goes over right there. But he also goes over, like how to promote products, in JV's doing Warrior Plus, how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. And that's pretty much what week number 3 is all about, right? And then week number 4, this is what I consider to be the fun part, is how to hire, outsource, and automate everything, right? So the whole purpose of this exact training, the main purpose of it is to help you automate it to where, you don't have to be putting in, tons of hours of work every single day. You could focus on the things that you're good at, and you could outsource the things that you don't want to do, right? So if you want to outsource the script writing, or, let's say that you want to, outsource the video editing or the thumbnails, which is what I do myself, then you can, of course, find people that will, of course, be willing to do that for very inexpensive, right? So he shows you how to find the right people that will, of course, do this for you, how to properly automate your channel. In this way, you could, it'll help take a lot of weight off your shoulders. You'll have a lot more free time, and it'll be a lot more fun for the long term, right? So that's exactly what this training goes over there. But now that you've seen pretty much exactly what the training is all about, I want to go over some of the bonuses that you'll get when you decide to pick up Takeoff through the link down below, right? So the very first bonus that you'll get access to is you're going to get access to a list of perfect video scripts and templates. So if you have a hard time scripting your videos, or you don't want to outsource this yourself, you could decide to use the templates that he provides you here. And I actually still use one of the templates inside this training for my videos. Actually, I find that it works very well. Gets me great results. So that's exactly what that goes over there. Bonus number 2, you're going to get access to the Tube Takeoff Starter Pack. So it's going to give you a list of channel niches, 250 high-paying affiliate programs, piggyback, channel ideas. Bonus number 3, you're going to get access to a complete channel design. So he's going to give you access to his private designer. So it'll make you, banner design, logo design. You're going to get access to the first 1,000 sub snowball method right there. And this will, of course, help you get, subscribers a lot faster. Bonus number 5, you're going to get access to the 30-day success checklist. This will, of course, do, the purpose of this is to help, keep you on track with this right here. So, staying on track and that type of stuff. And then bonus number 6, you're going to get access to copy and paste hiring scripts, right? So the whole purpose of this is to help you avoid working with low quality people. And trust me, I've worked with, a few people that I just did not like working with at all, that just did not get the work done in time. And in fact, there was one guy that I hired not too long ago that, I outsourced one of my videos to him, and it took him like an entire week to get the video done, which was a lot longer than I had hoped for. And then once he did get the video out to me, I just could tell that he did not follow any of the instructions whatsoever, did not get the video clips in order, and didn't do one thing of editing on my videos at all, right? So that was kind of annoying, right? So he shows you exactly how to avoid, working with low quality people and how to find the right people. And then, of course, bonus number 7, you're going to get access to the Tube Takeoff Mastermind, right? So basically what that is you're going to get access to the Facebook group right here. And what's great about this is you could interact with people that are, of course, growing, their channel as well, right? So you could interact with people here, but more importantly, you're going to get access to these Tube Takeoff monthly masterminds, right? So this is where you connect with the creator, Andy FL, on a live Zoom call. And here he will actually give you some ideas you could use to grow your channel a lot faster, right? So you can get, access to him, every single month. In fact, he's doing one tomorrow that I'm going to be attending to, actually. And then also he does these channel reviews, right? So, when you get into the program, he even does channel reviews. In fact, he reviewed my channel back in April, actually. And this in particular, when he initially did this video, I was at about 300 subscribers, as you can see in the video right here, which is quite crazy to think that, because just a few months later, now in November, my channel has crossed over 2,000 subscribers, and I'm making some pretty good money with this channel at this point, right? So that was from this video, which is about 2 hours in length. And what's interesting about this guy didn't have to make this video whatsoever. I basically just, sent him a message in Messenger, just asking him advice for something. And he ended up doing like an entire video, pretty much reviewing my channel and just giving me advice, right? So I found this to be super beneficial because, since then my channel has grown a lot. Quite a lot, as you can see right here, right? So this is pretty much all the stuff that you're going to get access to with this exact training right here. And of course, if you want to learn how to create passive income with YouTube, if you want to learn how to, make passive income online, all you have to do is click on the link down below. And at the very least, you owe it to yourself to check out the free masterclass, right? So if you're still on the fence about this program and you're still like, yeah, well, should I really enroll in this? Can I get results? You definitely owe it to yourself to at the very least, check out the free training down below, right? So he has a free masterclass you could attend, and it's going to show you kind of, how to properly grow your YouTube channel, how to make viral videos, and how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers fast, right? So if you want to get access to this, if you want to learn how to do this properly, check out the training down below. I know you're going to get lots of value from it. But anyways, hopefully you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.